Hi, this is Mike, WB4HUC, and I ran across something the other day that I wanted to see if I could do. So, what happened was I ran across a video on YouTube from this channel, Ham Radio Tube, and here's the fellow that has the channel. And the video I saw was titled Add a POTA Spotting Cluster to Your Logging Software. Now, he doesn't use Logic, he uses something else. But he showed how he could add a form or a window in his logging software to show POTA spots. And I got to thinking, well, could I do that in Logic? So I'm on Logic version 10. I've been using Logic for 20 years or more. I really like it. And it does have the facility in it to do DX spotting already. So I wanted to see if I could add POTA spotting. So we look at forms, and we scroll down, and here is a web cluster you can use for DX spotting. Here's another web cluster you can use for DX spotting. Here's a web cluster you can use for POTA spotting. So it's already in here. I don't have to do anything. I just didn't notice it was in here because sometimes I don't read the update notes. Excuse me. I don't read the update notes. So I don't know when this was added. Probably within the last year or two. That just shows how far behind I am in noticing what's happening in my own software. Well, anyway, if we click that, we'll see two windows. One window are the spots, and I should have done this already. And then the other window shows you where the spots come from. And this is a website that he gets this information from. So everything's already here. Well, this is a lot of information. It's multiple modes and it's multiple bands. The radio is on 15 meters, but here we're seeing 20 meter spots. Here's a 17 meter spot. Here's a 30 meter spot. So there's a lot more information perhaps than what we want to see right now. So we can narrow this down. If I say check this box, current band, we'll only see spots for 15 meters, but we still see spots for multiple modes. Well, let's say today I want to see only CW spots. Well, we can build a filter for that. So if I click this icon and I go here and I bring this filter window in, here's all the fields that we can use for our filter. So if I go to mode here, I can say mode equals CW, and then I can click OK. And now I'm only seeing CW spots on 15 meters. So what else can we do? Well, we can tune the radio to any of these spots. So we're on 21.055.400. We can click this and we can say set rig, and then the Elecraft K4 will be set to the frequency that's showing in the spotting window. And if we want to, we can go another step, and if we double click on this call sign, it already set the radio, so this didn't change, but it added the entry automatically to my log. And apparently then this field gets copied from previous contacts. So apparently I've already contacted this fellow in the past. And because this little check mark is checked to show that he's been worked before. And if I minimize this window, looks like I've worked him twice before, once on 20, once on 17. So that's beside the point. Right now, I really don't want to add him to the log, but it's the facility's there if you want to do that. So I'm just going to erase this record since I haven't worked him on this band. But there you go. So you can choose what band you want to see, you can choose what mode you want to see, or you can see all bands for the same mode that we have our filter set for, or you can clear the filter and see all bands in all modes. So there you go. The thing that I wanted to add to the logging program is already in there. I just didn't know it. So, and if you're not using Logic and you are using some other logging software, check out that video. It's Ham Radio Tube on YouTube. Go look for that channel, and then within that channel, look for that video. And perhaps there's information there that will let you add POTA spotting to your own logging program if it isn't there already. So as always, thank you for watching.